How to cancel a subscription on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are in here, tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you. The option of subscriptions will also be visible. Head over to it. It will land you on this interface. In this page, you'll see a list of your active and expired subscriptions. Find the subscription you want to cancel and then tap on it. Right now you can see there is no any list of the apps or the subscription that I have bought. But for you, if you have bought any of the subscriptions, then it will be available in this page. So once you tap on it, you have to tap on cancel subscription or cancel free trial at the bottom. If you don't see a cancel subscription button, the subscription is already cancelled and then it won't renew. After that, follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. After confirming, your subscription will be cancelled and you will have access to the service until the end of the current billing period. So if you have any issues, you can contact Apple support for further assistance. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel subscription on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.